Hey everyone, today I'm excited to show you how to access DeepSeek R1 API, a cutting-edge AI model, for free through OpenRouter. Let's dive in. First, head over to OpenRouter and sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to a variety of AI models, including DeepSeek R1. After logging in, look to the left sidebar. You'll find a search bar at the top. Type DeepSeek R1 into the search bar. Since it's trending, it should appear right there. Click on it to proceed. Once you're on the DeepSeek R1 page, click on the API tab, then click on Create API Key. In the pop-up window, click Create again. You'll be prompted to name your API key. Choose a name that helps you identify it later. For unlimited credits, leave the second field blank. Then click Create. After creating your API key, you'll have two options. One, OpenAI SDK. If you're familiar with OpenAI's SDK, you can use it to integrate DeepSeek R1 into your applications. Or you can use OpenRouter's API directly. With your API key ready, you can now start making requests to DeepSeek R1. Whether you're building chatbots, content generators, or any other AI-powered application, DeepSeek R1 is a powerful tool at your disposal. And that's it. You've successfully set up access to DeepSeek R1 for free. Remember, this is a powerful AI model, so use it responsibly and explore its capabilities to the fullest. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. For more tutorials and updates, subscribe to the channel. Happy coding!